Hi guys, so this is my analysis on GU. What am I expecting on GU? Let me just do a quick recap. If you watched my previous analysis, I said I was expecting GU to come up to my negative 27% fib level, which is 1.25018, around that area, because we broke the straight line right here. So I said there's a possibility for it to come down here to retest, then we may push to the upside, right? And we can see there was an imbalance around this area right here that broke the structure. We can see we came back here to retest with this weak rejection like an doji, right? Then push to the upside. So that trade was really good. I think it was how many pips? It was a really scalp trade. How many pips was that? I think it was 27 pips. So that was a quick scalp on GU. So now what am I expecting? Now I'm gonna delete this previous analysis and see what we are looking into based on this current price action. So we can see that when we got to my negative 27% fib level, we retraced, right? Then come up and come to the downside right here. So we can see that if I draw my fib from here to here, it gave us like a double top right around that area right here, like a double top, and we can see that after then we zoom to the downside. So let's see, let me delete this one here. So now what am I looking at on GU right now is, we can see, we can see that GU is currently back down to this previous right here, and it's showing like it's coming to the upside. Let's go to a bigger time frame just to see my overall thought on GU. It's giving me something like a W. We can see right here it's giving us a double bottom, so which shows there's a possibility for it to push to the upside, right? So let me delete this previous star so we can see how that goes. I want to go to a bigger time frame just to look at let's see, just to place my fib and see. Let's see, let's delete this one too. So I like going to a bigger time frame just to look at like my overall thought on the market. I can put an imbalance here, so in case if we push to the upside, that will be my possible target. So I did that for the 4 hours. So yeah, and even on the downside too, we can see it's rejecting around the zone. So I think we're gonna push up to my imbalance right here. Let me go to a smaller time frame. So now that we are seeing it's a little bit more clearer, I can delete this one here. I don't need this straight line anymore. So this one here, I want to extend this previous straight line. Let's see, unlock. So I want to extend this. Good. Then this one too, just a little. So now that we can see, I think we're gonna push to the upside. And my confluences, yeah, that's my confluences. I can draw a zone here just for us to see a short one, just for us to see what we are looking at. Let's change the color of that so we can see that it's giving me the M pattern, the W pattern, sorry. So this will be my target right here. My target will be here. So that is my point of interest. Right here is my point of interest. So that is my target right here. If you're pushing to the upside, let me get to a smaller time frame just to see. Right, to be more certain, right, I think to be more certain and to be sure, I want a break of structure, even despite the fact. So this will be my first confluence. So to enter a buy trade, this will be my confluence right here. First confluence is my first confluence is one. I'm seeing a W pattern, right, which is a reversal pattern. Right, I want a break of trend line to break of trend line. 3, I want a retest of trend line. And 4th, I want a candlestick pattern. So these are the confluences I will be looking for, confluences to buy on GU. So that is what I am looking forward to. I want it to come and break this trend line right here, come and give me a sort of like a retest, right? Then that's a confluence that we are going to push to the buy, and that will be my target. So those are like the step I take to take trade. I just don't take trade based on because I think we're going to push to the upside. I want to add like more confluences for it to give me more probability of working out in my favor. So that is my quick thought on GU, guys. If you find this educative, helpful, and eligible, if you do, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, like, comment, and if you have any questions, then just leave it down below and I'll do my possible best to answer it, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching, guys.